We just got our first real look at the upcoming One UI 7.0 update during SDC 2024. And well, there's some bad news too. But before we get to that, we've also seen a bunch of leaks about this update, so let's dive in. As you might already know, at the Samsung Developers Conference 2024 in San Jose, Samsung announced that a beta version of One UI 7.0 will be available for developers before the end of the year. They even gave us a sneak peek of what to expect. Samsung's saying that One UI 7.0 is all about a new user experience with a simple, more emotional design. Like we mentioned in our last video, this is shaping up to be one of the biggest refreshes for One UI on smartphones and tablets in years. But yeah, there's some bad news too. The stable version of One UI 7 is set to drop next year with the Galaxy S25 series. Yep, that's right. While the beta will be available for developers and users later this year, the final version won't be ready until 2025. And it's going to debut with Samsung's next flagship phones. Why the delay? That's still a bit unclear, but it might have something to do with Samsung's plans to rebrand all its software under the One UI name. However, at the conference, we did see a Galaxy S24 Ultra running what looks like an early build of the new software, giving us our first real look at One UI 7 in action. As you can see in this video, everything's been redesigned, from the app icons to the notification shade and quick toggles. Samsung has also revamped the camera interface, with most of the controls now shifted to the bottom for easier one-handed use. And that's not all. The recent apps screen has changed too, as you can see right here. The Galaxy Avatar feature has been spotted in the Advanced Features menu in the beta update, and it comes with options like avatar stickers, avatar camera, and even the ability to design new outfits for your avatar. Now, just a week after we got our first glimpse of One UI 7, we've got an even closer look at the new quick panel design. This was shared by the well-known tipster Ice Universe, and it's pretty much what Samsung showed off in the developer build at SDC 24. One of the biggest changes with the new quick toggle panel is that it's more segmented. In this One UI 7 mockup, the quick toggle panel now fits in both the music playback widget and an audio control widget, complete with a volume slider, kind of like the display brightness slider right next to it. So the big question you probably have is, will my Galaxy device get the One UI 7 update? Well, here's a list of devices expected to get the update as of now. Check if your phone made the list. Keep in mind though that this isn't official, so things could change down the road. It looks like Samsung is really trying to modernize One UI and bring their Android skin into a new era. What do you think of the new design? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've been waiting for Samsung's mid-range champ, the Galaxy A56, make sure to check out this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you there.